Come on. Come on, Tiny. Tiny. Come on. Let's go outside for a little while. Come on. You gonna make me pick you up and put you outside? How you feeling, Willie boy? You okay, bud? We're gonna take you to the vet today. He's been just feeling kind of blah the last couple of days, so he's due for his rabies vaccine and all that stuff, so I'm just gonna go ahead and take him in today. Yeah, see what's the matter with my Willie boy. And this little one, we have a home lined up for. I hadn't planned on giving him away, but it just kind of happened that way. One of my clients was looking for a kitty, and so he's gonna go live with her. And I've known her for a long time, so I know it'll be a good home. Be a good inside home. You're gonna live in the air condition. Be living the life. Yeah, you're gonna be living the life in the air condition. You went from under a dumpster to a palace. Spoiled boy. You waiting on me? Ooh. How confident do you feel that we're not gonna break down?
If you want with it.
I'm your good luck charm. Unlucky charm.
Oh. Yeah, I had to throw something else out that was wrapped in that napkin.
Sorry.
Yeah. So when we get out, make sure you take all that with you.
Do the windshield wipers work? How do you turn them on? Can I push it?
Then you pull it.
Oh,
Or twist it.
I don't know what I did.
That's the stuff that you don't need to mess with.
I feel like you need new windshield wipers. YouTube want us to post more videos. Apparently they like us for some reason. Do you, quit looking at the girl in the dress.
Can't help it.
Eyes on me. Stop. Now you're being stupid. You think you can give me enough content to post 1 to 2 videos a week?
No.
That's a lot.
Not unless I'm getting paid for it.
What do you make? You ain't getting paid.
I ain't doing that.
You're welcome. Huh? Why are we going to the rock quarry? I thought when you got the excavator fixed, we were supposed to be taking off the junk metal pile.
number 5s.
How many tons you looking?
Whatever he can put on here.
Okay, and you paying with a card?
Yep.
All right, but I got you. You good to go?
Thank you.
It feels heavy. Is it too heavy?
But when I get home and try to dump it.
Oh, well, I meant, can the tires hold it?
Oh, yeah.
How much do you think it's going to weigh?
Well, I weighed 9,000 something pounds a while ago, just a truck, so I'm thinking 15, 16. I say at least 16, maybe 17.
Let's see if you're right. Whoa.
Okay, never mind.
How about 21? 20.
All right, but we got you at 5.85 on the number 5. Is that okay?
Yep, sounds good.
Woo wee. Is that too much?
Most I've had on her so far. Call him whatever he can put it on there.
All right, we'll find out. What do you mean hanging off?
Like, you know, if they fall off and break somebody's windshield. Give me some shit.
We're rolling. Beat. Why does he do stuff like this to me?
We're rolling.
Why? Why do you do me like that, man?
Really, man. He got a lot of rock on here.
Too much?
Don't know yet.
I mean, when are you gonna know if it's too much? That's what I don't understand.
I told you I'm worried about dumping it.
I'm worried about driving it home.
I ain't worried about dumping it home.
So we'll make it home. Well, you
Did
don't.
you shut your hole?
Ah! Stress me.
Yes, you want to see all the rock that looks piled over the tailgate.
I don't want to know.
Ride's good, don't it?
It rides like a Cadillac. Hope it makes it home like a Cadillac.
What all that was about.
Something don't feel right.
You ain't on fire, are you okay?
I smell it though. Not fire, but I smell something. Thank you, Jesus.
Huh?
I said, thank you, Jesus. You know I'm a panicker. Still not convinced we're not on fire. I just want to get out.
Roll that window. Neat.
It just has a deep muffly sound.
Get hot. I don't know why you don't understand that.
I understand that. That doesn't mean it doesn't make me nervous when we're rolling around town with 5 tons. I can't get the window up. The freaking.
Probably a bit more than I probably should carry on there.
Imagine that. Rolling up the windows, making me sweat. I can't get this air conditioning window to close all the way.
Close all the way.
All right.
It's not on fire, so you're okay.
Oh,
A little warm.
I'm sweating. I think I sweat through my shirt. A little warm? They're a lot warm. Okay, it's time to take Willie Boy to the vet. Come on, Willie boy. Ooh, that's thundering. You ready to go to the vet? Come on, buddy. Come on, let's get you feeling better. Hey, Ellie. You want to go too? Willie boy, you're kind of big for this carrier. Come on, bud. Okay. It's okay, bud. Alright. Let's go. Alright, Willie boy. Here we go. Here we go. In the rain. What you want to listen to? George Jones. Alright, Willie boy. We're here. I think I have to wait in the car and call them when I get here. I think that's what she told me to do. No, don't get out. We're a little bit early, okay? No, don't get out. It's okay. Hey. Oh, that might be her right now. That was real fast. Hey.
Hey.
Willie?
Yep.
This is him.
Hi, honey.
Hi.
Oh, all right. We'll be right back.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Alright, the vet just, the way we have to do things in this new world is so strange. But the vet just called and said that he seems fine other than he has a pretty high fever. They're going to run some blood work on him, and then they're also going to give him some fluids and antibiotics and send him home tonight. And we will reevaluate him in the morning. There's my Willie boy. All right.
Here's your receipt and your cans of food.
Okay. Perfect.
And he does have a little camel hump on his back, but that's just where we gave the fluids. It should go down and absorb.
Okay.
So no worries about that.
Perfect.
And he did really, really good.
Okay,
Like, I don't
good.
say that about my cats, but he did really good.
Okay.
So
Good.
He let us do everything, and we'll call you as soon as we get that blood work back. Okay.
Okay. Perfect. Thank you. She said you did good, Willie boy. She said you was a good boy and you did so good. Oh, did you see that lightning? We better get home. Hey. Hey. You're kind of expensive, but I reckon you're worth it. Yeah. Are you worth it? Probably so. Yeah. Probably so. You wanna come out? Come on, buddy. Hey, boy. Are you feeling better already? You look like you feel 100 times better. Oh, did you step in water? Seems like a good coffee cup for today. Is today your big day? Are you going to your new home? Whoa, big stretch. I'm gonna miss you. I'm gonna miss you.
Place where you can put boards, more rafters.
You gonna build you a barn like that?
I would like to have it open. I can just drive my tractor underneath there. I'll put my implants on her. That's pretty, eh?
Is it? It smells good.
Oh, it's like green. Oh, that.
Get back, get back, get back. Uh-uh. Yeah. Woo, everybody comes running for hay. Whoa, Clara. Are you so excited? Come on, girls. Oh, Hanky. Come on. Watch that door. At least I didn't let you run into it like last time.
Oh.
What, Moo Cow? Do not squeeze in here. Clara. That's bad. That's a bad cow.
You gonna help me or you just gonna play with that?
I'm gonna help you.
I'm gonna get up here and put that bell down.
You guys are the worst. Get out of there. You guys. Excuse you. Do you mind? It's time to go get the kitty and take him to his new home. I'm meeting his new folks at 12:30. So I'm kind of sad about it, but I know it's what's best for him. Are you ready to go to your new house? I'm gonna miss you so much. Come on. Let's pack up. All right. I had to change shirts because he pooped on me. It happens. So, day 2 of Kitties and Carriers. Are you excited? I'm not. I'm kind of sad. Ready or not? Here we go. And if you're wondering, Willie Boy is doing better today too. Are you feeling better today? No, I can't let you off. The vet said keep you on the porch one more day. Scoot, scoot. Move, I got my hands full.
Get them now.
No, I'll get them later. Is Granny driving us?
We are.
So I can snuggle?
We're going to our forever home where inside boys and girls can live all day long and nobody goes.
Oh goodness. What? Oh. I got a video of Hank braying this morning. It's the cutest thing ever. I ain't never heard a noise quite like that before, so I'll share that with you too. What? Do that again. Hanky boy. Please. Oh. Oh. It's so. Oh. Oh my gosh. Hanky boy. Hank. Anyway, Kitty's at his new home. He's doing good, so I was not a foster failure this time. That was my first time giving an animal away. Come on, big girls. Little drowned rats.
Honey.
And I think think he's already gotten started without me, so he's probably wondering where I'm at. Said, are you waiting on me?
Even a little.
Oh, you're done already. Almost.
Months. I don't think there can be any doubt.
Beautiful.
They could have written more sinister stories.
Originally, we only had this one gate right here, and sometimes Clara would get somebody hemmed up in the corner. So we put another gate on that end so we can open it. So there's 2 ways out. Nobody getting trapped in the corner anymore. Got us a storm coming. But I have a quick question. My black-eyed Susans have died, and I'll show you. It's these right here. I planted these earlier in the spring. I don't know what it is. I don't really want to touch it because it's kind of gross. But they have these little mold spurs all over them. But it's only this variety that's dying. There was 1, 2, 3. That one's working on dying. And there was 2 more back there. These ones, as you can see, are doing just fine. All this other stuff, my coneflowers, my daisies, they don't seem to be affected by it. But these are, I mean, look, they just pull right up out of the ground. Dead as a doornail. These are a different variety. They have these big, wide, fuzzy leaves, and the sunflower, whatever, the flower head on them was really big. A lot bigger than these, and just a different, see, these leaves are different. It's just a different kind of leaf altogether. But anyway, they all died, all of them that I planted this year. And I want to know if it's something that's going to spread to the rest of mine, because that would hurt my feelings pretty bad. So if I have any gardening friends out there, let me know in the comments what I can do about it, or if it's going to kill the rest of mine. Because that would hurt my